Let's look underneath the peppers and see what's happening. Oh my God! Oh my God! What is happening right here? These peppers are looking mighty fine. They are beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna take a quick peek through these rows. Oh my God, look at these peppers. Oh my God. This is just one row we're looking at right here. Let me ease away to see what is happening here. Oh my God. Look at this cluster. Look at this cluster. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my God. They are looking mighty fine. Look at these. Oh my God. This one leans over. It's getting heavy, so I would have to stake it. Oh my God, you just look at that. Just look at that. My God. It's looking beautiful. It's looking beautiful. It's looking beautiful. It is looking beautiful. And you know I must have a talk before I go. Peppers are looking mighty fine. Yes, they are looking beautiful. Yes. Look at these plantains. Oh my God. Look at this row. Look at these plantains. Wow. 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 Look at these plantains. They are beautiful. They are beautiful. This is ready to harvest. Ready to harvest. This one just shooting. Ready to harvest. Ready to harvest. Just coming on.